Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add hover effect to Shopify product images. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what you need to do is to add hover effect to your Shopify product images. Either you can incorporate your custom CSS, or what you can do is you can simply head over to your search bar and search in here for hover effect, and you're going to search in for that in the integration section, and you will be able to see different type of landing page builders, and you can see video on image hover, quick view hover sliders. So this kind of stuff is available onto your you can say like integration section. So make sure you head over to that and you will get a lot of different goodies, and you can see show second image on hover and stuff like that. So make sure to give it a try and download something with a solid rating. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.